we're going to try. And it's better than nothing, right? So I'm going to bring this image. I'm going to paste right here. All right. And I'm going to say something like create a landing page for is it a SaaS business?
It's an AI SDR for AI agencies to help them generate leads, well, like find leads and then automate the outreach and personalization of that outreach. It's basically like a full AI SDR system. Let's just call it Outreach X or something.
Okay. Outreach X sounds good. So that generates leads and automate outreach
And
to
it's for AI agencies specifically.
for AI agencies. So, and then I'm going to say in the style of, linear, for example, and with a